1,
2, 3.
go, open.
What's in there?
Kita ko nga
What's in there? I don't know.
I immediately saw
Okay,
this one.
this one's for the house. This is from Tita Rani. Give to mommy first.
Oh,
Wait
Archie! Archie! Archie, wait!
You wait for your turn. This one's for the house. Just give it to your mom.
You wait, you wait, Archie, you wait.
This is for from Rani. From Rani. To, I think it's for mom. It says 5. From Rani. Thank you. Ito pesa yata to. From Rani. It's from Rani.
Thank
you, Rani. This
You wait.
is from Tita Rani to Archie.
Yeah.
This one.
What color is this shoes? What color?
Blue. It's blue. I like it, Mama.
like it.
Are you right?
Okay. I'll wear it.
I think
You can just wear it
Ano
like
lang
that.
ito?
You just put it there.
Ano sinusuot ito?
Ay, parang yung green niya, Mama.
Ganun ba yan? Sinusuot? Ay, hindi. Malaki sa akin. Yan.
There. They're the
laki.
perfect size. Mama.
Mine is
Yes,
Ow.
Mama. They're the perfect
Malaki.
size.
Malaki talaga siya, Daddy. Ang Crocs is always bigger.
Ano ba ito? Parang sleeper lang na ano? Hindi
Oh,
shoes.
here's for you.
Oh, what is
We're
that?
gonna
What's
give it
that?
some to your cousins, okay?
What is that?
Okay.
Sabi niya dun sa sinelas niya, they're perfect size.
That's the perfect size.
Give it to mommy.
Ganito ba ito? Gusto niyo mahaba? Okay,
Yes,
parang
Saan ko lalagay ito?
It's too much.
Much. Okay, let's put it here. Ito si Ate can choose.
Yeah.
What she wants.
Just go in.
I don't know what she wants.
I'll show you.
Until you wait for us.
Okay.
Archie, you wait for your turn. All I want.
Give that over there too.
That's so cute.
excited.
Ano mas maganda?
Ano pinakikialaman
Yung
mo?
mga giveaways na.
Anong green?
Oh. Get it on, Archie. Put it there.
Okay.
And this one too.
Oh, what will you tell Tita Jaja?
I don't know if you can use it. This is like erasers and pencils.
We kiss them naman because they bought lots of erasers. Come on,
Thank you.
Come on. Please first.
First.
How about Tito Darwin?
Sweet naman.
How about Tito Darwin?
I only just want a toy.
Mommy. This is Tita Lola. Tank tops. Nagta-tank tops ba si Mama? Hindi, no, spaghetti.
And what else
Gano?
did you got?
Tank tops.
Huh? What is this?
Pen. For your cousins. I don't know.
It's a big pen.
Ano ba
How
yan?
can that fit in your
Ball pen.
bag?
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know.
Mga tank
Pink
tops.
for boys or chick?
Oh my God.
Girl.
I can see something. What is that?
I can see
What's
something.
that? Oh,
Pinakikialaman?
what's that?
Hey, hey, hey! What are those?
What is that?
Dinosaurs!
Tinaas ka pa. Hallelujah.
Oh, are those for you? You ask them first.
Are those for me?
Yes.
Yahoo!
Okay, say thank you again.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
What else is in here?
And this is your beach ball.
Can I
You have to put air in it.
This is my beach
You have to
ball.
blow it so that